Most people think becoming wealthy is about how much money you make. But the truth is, two people can earn the exact same salary and end up in completely different places financially. One person stays broke, stressed, and dependent on the next paycheck. The other person slowly builds assets, freedom, and control over their life. So today, we're going to break down the real difference between a poor mindset and a rich mindset. And for this video, I'm taking ideas from 3 powerful books: Rich Dad, Poor Dad, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, and The E-Myth Revisited. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. This is educational content to help you think better about money, time, and growth. The first big difference is this: people with a rich mindset buy assets first, then comfort. People with a poor mindset buy comfort first, and then wonder why they have no money left. An asset is something that puts money in your pocket or grows your net worth over time. It could be a business, rental property, stocks, index funds, digital products, a skill that increases your income, or anything that helps you earn more in the future. But many people do the opposite. They get their first decent paycheck and immediately upgrade their lifestyle. A new iPhone, a bigger apartment, a car payment they can barely afford, expensive clothes, eating out every weekend, a vacation on a credit card. And from the outside, it looks like they're doing great, but inside, they are financially trapped.
Let me give you a simple example.
Imagine 2 friends in the United States. Both make $60,000 a year. The first friend immediately buys a brand new car with a $650 monthly payment. He upgrades his apartment, buys expensive furniture, gets the newest phone, and uses credit cards to maintain the lifestyle. The second friend drives a used car, lives below his means, and invests every month. He builds an emergency fund, learns a high-income skill, contributes to his retirement account, and maybe starts a small side business. After 1 year, the first friend looks richer. After 10 years, the second friend actually is richer. That is the difference. Poor mindset asks, how can I look successful today? Rich mindset asks, what can I build today that will pay me tomorrow? This does not mean you should never buy nice things. The point is sequence. First build the engine, then enjoy the ride. First create income-producing assets, then buy comfort. Because if you buy comfort first, comfort becomes a trap. The second difference is this: rich mindset people pay themselves first. Poor mindset people pay everyone else first. Most people receive their paycheck and immediately start paying bills. Rent, car payment, credit card bill, subscriptions, food delivery, shopping, entertainment. And then they say, whatever is left, I'll save. But the problem is, usually nothing is left. That's why pay yourself first is such a powerful idea. It means the moment money comes in, a portion of it goes toward your future before you spend on anything else. It could go into savings, an emergency fund, investments, a retirement account, or a business fund. For example, if you make $4,000 a month after taxes, you don't wait until the end of the month to see what is left. You automatically move 10%, 15%, or 20% first. Even if you cannot start with 20%, start with something. Start with 5%. Start with $50. Start with $100. The amount matters less than the habit, because once you build the habit, you can increase it over time. In America, this is especially important because lifestyle inflation is everywhere. The moment people earn more, they spend more. They get a raise, then upgrade their car. They get a bonus, then upgrade their vacation. They get a promotion, then upgrade their rent. But if your spending grows every time your income grows, you are not becoming wealthy.
You are just becoming a higher income broke person.
Rich mindset people separate income from lifestyle. When their income increases, they increase their savings, investments, and assets first. Then they upgrade their lifestyle slowly. That is why automation is powerful. Set up automatic transfers, automatic retirement contributions, automatic investing, automatic debt repayment. Because if you rely only on willpower, money will disappear. The third difference is this: rich mindset people keep improving their skills for life. Poor mindset people stop learning after school. In The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, Stephen Covey talks about sharpening the saw. The idea is simple. If you want to cut a tree faster, you don't just keep forcing a dull saw. You stop, sharpen the saw, and then work smarter. Your skills are your saw. Your knowledge is your saw. Your health, discipline, communication, and decision-making are your saw. But many people finish college, get a job, and mentally retire. They say, "I already have a degree. I already have a job. I deserve to relax." And yes, rest is important. But there is a big difference between rest and stagnation. If every night after work you only watch Netflix, scroll TikTok, complain about your boss, and repeat the same routine for years, nothing changes. Rich mindset people understand that the market pays for value. The more valuable your skills become, the more opportunities you create. That's why they read books. They take courses. They learn sales. They learn communication. They learn investing. They learn AI tools. They learn marketing. They learn leadership. They learn how businesses work. They don't just work hard. They upgrade themselves. Think about it. A person earning $20 an hour may not become financially free by only cutting coupons. But if that person learns a skill that helps them earn $50, $100, or $200 an hour, their life can change completely. Saving money is important, but increasing your value is also important. Poor mindset says, "I don't have time to learn." Rich mindset says, "I don't have time not to learn." The fourth difference is this. Rich mindset people use systems and delegation. Poor mindset people try to do everything themselves. This idea connects strongly with the E-myth revisited. Many people think business is just working harder, but real business growth comes from systems.
If everything depends on you, then you don't own a business, you own a job. The same idea applies to life. You only have 24 hours in a day. You have limited energy, limited focus, limited willpower. So if you spend your best hours on low-value tasks, you will not have energy left for high-value growth. Now, this does not mean you should waste money or outsource everything. If you are broke, you need discipline. But as you grow, you must understand the value of your time. If you can earn $50 an hour with your main skill, but you spend 3 hours doing something that could be done for $20, you need to think carefully. That time could have been used to build a business, improve your skill, create content, serve clients, or make better decisions. Rich mindset people ask, "What is the best use of my time? What should I do myself? What should I automate? What should I delegate? What system can I build so this doesn't depend on me forever?" Poor mindset people often judge this. They say, "Look at that person. They hire people for everything. They must think they're special." But many times, the real reason is not showing off. The real reason is focus. They are protecting their time so they can work on higher value problems. The goal is not laziness. The goal is leverage. Leverage means getting bigger results from the same amount of time. The fifth difference is this. Rich mindset people think win-win. Poor mindset people think win-lose. Let's say two people are offered $100. The first person gets to decide how to split it. The second person gets to accept or reject the offer. If the second person rejects it, both people get nothing. If the first person says, "I'll take $50 and you take $50, most people accept. If the first person says, "I'll take $60 and you take $40, many people still accept. But if the first person says, "I'll take $70 and you take $30, many people reject it. Why? Because emotionally, it feels unfair. And yes, fairness matters. But here is the deeper lesson. Some people are so focused on comparison that they reject an opportunity that still benefits them. They would rather get nothing than see someone else get more. That is a dangerous mindset. Poor mindset is controlled by jealousy. Rich mindset is controlled by strategy. Poor mindset says, "Why is he getting more than me?" Rich mindset says, "Is this still a good deal for me?" Poor mindset sees someone else's success as a threat. Rich mindset sees it as proof that opportunity exists. This does not mean you should accept exploitation. It does not mean you should let people take advantage of you.
But it does mean you should learn to think clearly. In business, relationships, partnerships, and careers, the best deals are win-win. If only you win, people won't want to work with you again. If only they win, you'll burn out. But if both sides win, the relationship can grow. That is how real wealth is built. Not just through money, through reputation, trust, long-term partnerships, and repeated opportunities. So let's quickly recap the 5 differences. Number 1, assets before comfort. Don't buy things only to look rich. Build things that actually make you richer. Number 2, pay yourself first. Before your money goes to everyone else, send a portion toward your future. Number 3, keep improving your skills. Your income grows when your value grows. Number 4, use systems, automation, and delegation. Protect your time and focus on high-value work. Number 5, think win-win. Don't let jealousy make your decisions. Look for deals where everyone can grow. At the end of the day, becoming wealthy is not just about money. It is about how you think, how you spend, how you learn, how you use your time, and how you make decisions when nobody is watching. A poor mindset chases comfort today and sacrifices freedom tomorrow. A rich mindset sacrifices a little comfort today to build freedom tomorrow. And the good news is, mindset is not fixed. You can change it. You can learn it. You can practice it. You can start today. So comment below, which of these 5 points hit you the hardest? And what topic do you want me to cover next? If you found value in this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and like this video so more people can learn how to think better about money, growth, and life.